space between. Every sip we share shows me what peace means. The ceremony, sacred space.